Fortress Deco Render, Urban Concrete Finish. Materials and equipment needed to mix Deco Render. Deco Render is available for 2 kilos, 5 kilos, and 20 kilos depending on your needs. Mixing Deco Render. For every 1 square meter, we only need 1 kilo of Fortress Deco Render. Pour the required amount of Deco Render. Add up to 40% of water on the weight of Deco Render. Use a handheld electric mixer until render is free from lumps. Make sure the electric mixer is only moderate speed. High speed will cause air bubbles. After reaching the consistency desired, do not dilute further with water. Before the application of Fortress Deco Render, make sure surface is free from dirt, oil, and debris. Install primer to seal the surface. This will make receptive to Deco Render. Apply the first coating of Deco Render. Thinly use steel trowel. Recommended thickness is 1 to 3 mm. Allow surface to dry for at least 12 hours. Apply second coat and let it dry for 12 hours. You can use trowel to smoothen surface. Allow the surface to cure for 3 days before sanding and sealing. If you want smooth surface, use 1000 grit sandpaper for best result. For outdoor installation, we highly recommend to use sealer. Fortress NANO Sealer is a water-based penetrating protectant and has a higher solid content to allow greater water resistance. Must be applied completely dry cement walls. Recommended curing time for cement walls finish ideally should be 28 days to ensure the total curing, but must not be less than 14 days. Decorative render can be applied for indoor or outdoor application. You can use it for cement, fiber cement, gypsum board, and wood. Fortress Deco Render, Urban Concrete Finish.